Hello everyone, here I'm back with one more interesting topic, and that is color revolution of India. So kids, let's get started. Firstly, let's try to understand what is revolution. Action taken by a large group of people to try to change the government or rules of a country. Kids, do you know? Revolutions in India mark the beginning of a completely new era in various socio-economic fields like petroleum, agriculture, and many more. These revolutions aims at the increased production in a particular sector, and these sectors are black for petroleum, golden revolution for honey, brown revolution, grey revolution, blue, silver for egg, white for milk, red revolution, golden fiber revolution for jute, green revolution, pink, silver fiber, yellow revolution. So kids, today we will try to understand few of them. Here is our first revolution, that is white revolution, which is for milk and dairy production. White revolution was one of the biggest dairy development movements by the Indian government in 1970. It was a step taken by the Indian government to develop and help the dairy industry. Verghese Kurien was the father of the white revolution. He founded Amul, one of the largest milk producing companies in India. Let's see the next color. That is blue revolution, which is for fish production. Blue revolution comes with an idea that fishing will not only be done in one particular area, it might extinct some species of fishes. Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal will also be covered so they could get varieties of fishes. Hiralal Chaudhary and Dr. Arun Krishnanan, known as the father of blue revolution. Kids, here comes the next color, that is golden revolution, which is for fruits, honey and horticulture production. Golden revolution was a major movement in India which saw the use of new innovative technologies to boost the production of honey and products such as flowers, fruits, spices, vegetables and plantation crops. And it was initiated by Nirpakh Tuttej. This revolution went on from 1991 to 2003. Let's see the next color, that is green. Green revolution, which is for food grains production. This revolution saw an increase in the production of food grains by using various modern technologies and farming products like fertilizers, high yielding variety seeds, irrigation facilities and pesticides. Do you know, it was initiated by M.S. Swaminathan and was commenced under the leadership of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Let's see the next color, that is brown. Brown revolution, that is for cocoa production. The brown revolution in India increased the production and demand for environmental friendly coffee, which was initiated by Hiralal Chaudhary. This revolution is currently taking place in Visakhapatnam. Here comes the next color, yellow. Yellow revolution for oil seeds production. The yellow revolution helped India achieve the status of self-sufficient and net exporter. 25 million tons of oil seeds was exported from India in the 90s, which was an all-time high rate. Sam Pitroda is known as the father of yellow revolution. The next color is black. Black revolution, that is for petroleum production. The Black Revolution is associated with an increase in petroleum in India. The government of India implemented various policies to boost these production by mixing ethanol, a renewable source of energy, with petrol to produce biodegradable things. This gave rise to a positive result in reducing pollution caused by the emission of harmful gases. This initiative has also helped farmers switch to such alternative which reduce pollutant. Here is our last color, that is Silver Revolution for egg production. The Silver Revolution witnessed an enhancement in poultry farming or the production of eggs. Various private and government sectors contributed to this revolution using medical and applied science to rediscover ways to grow egg production. It took place between 1969 to 1978 under the ministry of Indira Gandhi. So kids, that's all for this session. Keep learning and sharing. Thank you. See you around.